Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Roxanne, and today we're going to be doing the unboxing for Topbox as well as the Emma Bosse box. This was an extra item from Topbox. I believe it was $21, either $21 or $26, I can't remember. It is still available if you want. And just go to Topbox Collective's webpage and you can pick it up there. Let's see what's in here. So first thing item I see is the Yves Rocher I Love My Planet concentrated shower gel in mango coriander. So let's see what this smells like. Ooh. I was gonna give it to you to smell, right? Love that. The next item is the Garnier My Clara water. We have a big size of this upstairs. My daughter and I both use this to take off our makeup. We really like it. It's really good on our skin. She's got acne prone skin and I have old skin, so this is really good for both of our skin. We like this and always love having this in the house. The next item I see is the roller lash from Benefit. Right now I have my favorite eyelash mascara, sorry, and so I'll be interested to try that. I like the brush on that actually, so I might give this a go. And two more items. The next item I see is the Smashbox lippy called Stepping Out. I'm not sure if this is my color. I have a friend that might actually wear this better than I will, but I might actually try it. It's a nice brown. There it is swatched. And considering that's that mascara, that's the only makeup item in this box. So the next item I see is the Invisibobbles, which I ordered this one night before I cut my hair. And I love these. Now these are like an army green, but I really like this. I don't know why. I think it's kind of cute. You get 3 of them. I really like using these. They don't tangle in my hair. They go on my wrist comfortably. They don't leave the huge thing in my hair sometimes that happens, so I really, really, really like them. But, oops. I got my hair, so kind of hard to use them. So that was just in this extra little box that I picked up. So the next box is my monthly box. Now this is $12 a month. You pay on the 20th of the month, and then between the 24th and the 27th, they send you emails to upgrade your box. You don't pay any extra for it, but it's only the items that are listed. So this time they had like a moisturizer, they had Smashbox primers, they had, before they've had masks, they've had like, and it's really nice because you can ask to get this box. You don't necessarily get it. You can choose as many boxes as you want. You're not going to get them all. You're going to get either one, or you're going to get a regular top box. So this month I did ask for the green Smashbox primer, the moisturizer, and the Laneige Cushion Complex BB cream, which I am wearing today. I do love it. I love just throwing it on and going out. Really simple to use. But I got one of the prive boxes. As you will see, it was $12 plus tax, no shipping, which is really nice. Then they offer sometimes an add-on for $10, and so I snapped that up. And you have to be really quick. You have to be really on these emails because sometimes they sell it really, really quick. Last month we got Glam Glow moisturizer, or maybe not last month, but the month before. We've gotten really good items and some really crappy items. We've gotten nail polish before. I believe it was Deborah Lipman, and that's a really good brand, but the colors weren't my color. So but anyway, so let's see what I got today and my $10 add-on. So I got the Indeed moisturizer. It's called Hydroluron. Totally butchering that. It's a moisture jelly, and this is what it looks like. It's like a pump, really, really thick. I'd put it on my face, but I have stuff already. Doesn't really have a scent, but it's nice on the hand. Like, you can see. This is apply a pea size. That was more than a pea size, so don't need a whole lot of that. But that is nice. Oh, my hands will be nice and moisturized right now. So I believe this retails for about 25 bucks. So I got more than my money's worth definitely out of this. And my $10 add-on is full-size Smashbox primer. I am absolutely thrilled. Photo finisher primer plus moisturizer in one. So this is 24-hour hydration, 100 plus 127%, 88% said it lasts makeup makes makeup last all day. 97% said it feels lightweight, and 91% said makeup goes on flawlessly. Well, I'll be definitely using this. So there it is there. It's hyaluronic acid, so it has this in it. Apply 1 to 2 pumps for fingertips, smooth over face before makeup can be used with or in place of moisturizer. Ooh. I do like Smashbox stuff. Don't have too much of it. That feels nice. Ooh. That kind of has both of them on. Oh, my skin. My hands are going to feel really nice today. This has a bit of a scent to it. So for $25, this is what I got. Definitely worth it. I didn't have to pay for shipping on anything, which, hey, here in Canada, it's a lot to ship. So not all companies offer free shipping. So this is great. This is really great. Below is my link. If you sign up, you will get on. If you sign up before the 20th, you should be able to get in for next month. If you sign up after the 20th, then you will be put on a wait list until the following month. These ship out the 14th, the 14th or 15th, and if you're further from Mississauga, because I do ship from Mississauga, the earlier it ships. So sometimes you get yours earlier. I always get mine either on time or late, because I do live here in Ontario, but I have to hit 2 distribution centers, so it's always a hit and a miss for me. But definitely worth it for the most part. You can see that I have on my Instagram that I do have. I've been with Topbox for well over a year now. They do have some doubles. They do tend to have really tiny sizes when they do have some samples, but the prive boxes have been hitting it out of the park lately. If you do sign up, my link is below. I do get like a $5 off coupon for the one-off boxes like this. I do pay for all of my own boxes that you do see on my channel. None of them are given to me, and they all, of course, are all my own opinions. If you have any questions, you can leave them below. You can also hit subscribe, and I hope to see you on the next unboxing. Thanks.